Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for one pan chicken, potatoes and green beans. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have a whole chicken already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some sazon, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, black pepper, some rotisserie chicken seasoning, fresh green seasoning, and some oil. So basically I just combined some of my green seasoning and some oil, mix that up well and create like a paste-like consistency. And this is what I use to marinate my chicken. I will leave the link to the green seasoning down in my description box for those that are interested. Like I said, you want to go ahead and just marinate the chicken with that seasoning. Get up into the cavity and you want to lift the skin, the breast, the thighs, everywhere, and make sure that it is well seasoned. Once we're done, we will transfer this to a storage bag and place it in our fridge overnight. If you want to cook it the same day, you sure can. Just make sure that it sits for about 2 hours or so minimum. So fast forward to the next day, I will be adding some potatoes and green beans to this dish. I went ahead and just cut my potatoes a little bit so that the seasonings can seep through the skin and it can have all the flavor. So here I have some chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, and some paprika. You want to mix this well to combine, and then we will go ahead and apply it to the green beans and the potatoes. First, you want to add a little oil, or you can add some melted butter just to make sure the seasonings adhere to the vegetables. Then you want to just coat them, like I said, with that seasoning generously, and we will move on to the next step. Next, I'll go ahead and place my chicken right in the middle. And guys, if you want to add other vegetables here, you sure can, like carrots. Just make sure that the vegetables are not too soft in texture so they can hold up as we bake them. So once we're done here, I will go ahead and sprinkle some of my rotisserie chicken seasoning over top of the chicken so we can create a nice vibrant look. And then I will place some butter on my vegetables. We will cover this and stick it in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. After about an hour, this is what my chicken and vegetables were looking like. I did went ahead and remove my green beans because once I tasted them, they were perfectly done and I didn't want to overcook them. So I removed them, set them aside, and then I proceeded to add some of the juices onto my potatoes just so they can get that nice, delicious flavor from the chicken. Then I placed them back into the oven for about 15 minutes so they can brown up nicely. And that's it guys, quick, easy, and simple. After about an hour and 15 minutes, my whole meal is all done, and this is what it's looking like. It smells amazing, and guys, you will not regret trying this recipe. It was so simple to put together and my entire family enjoyed it. So again, Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy